Are you looking for the top 5 ways to master Linux print server setup at home? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 ways to master Linux print server setup at home on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Share 4 printers wirelessly with ease. The Microware USB print server is a versatile networking device that transforms a standard USB printer into a shared resource, allowing up to 4 printers to be used wirelessly or via Ethernet. Supporting both wired and wireless setups, it's ideal for home, office, or small business environments where multiple users need access to printing without direct connections. With 10/100 Mbps LAN support and stable network bridging, it ensures smooth data transmission and reliable performance, even under heavy use. Designed for convenience, the print server operates in standalone mode, requiring no dedicated PC as a print host. Its plug-and-play installation means setup is fast and hassle-free, with minimal configuration needed, offering flexible printer sharing across networks. This handy device streamlines printing access for teams, households, or any multi-user environment. Number 2. Enter FL200 Multi-OS Thin Client. The Enter Thin Client FL200 is a compact, versatile solution for accessing remote desktops and network resources with ease. Compatible with Windows XP 7, 8.1, 10 Windows Server versions, 2008 R through 2016, and popular Linux distributions, it offers broad operating system flexibility, whether you're using older enterprise setups or modern configurations. Built-in support for XRDP enables seamless remote desktop connections, while the 10100 Mbps Ethernet interface delivers stable, reliable network performance for everyday tasks. Its compact, black chassis makes it easy to install in offices, schools, or remote work environments where space is limited. The FL200 is ideal for users needing basic computing, like document editing, web browsing, or remote server management, without investing in a full PC. With efficient resource use and simplified setup, it's an affordable, practical choice for thin client deployments and shared environments. Number 3. USB 2.0 Network Print Server. The USB 2.0 Network Print Server is a handy solution that turns any USB printer into a shared network printer, perfect for homes, offices, or small businesses needing convenient printing from multiple devices. Supporting Windows XP, Android, and iOS, it enables wireless print sharing across computers, tablets, and smartphones without the need for cables. The device connects via 5E power and interfaces with your network over LAN, letting you print via Wi-Fi or Ethernet from multiple devices. Compact and easy to install, this print server offers plug-and-play functionality for a hassle-free setup. Once connected, users on the same network can access the shared printer seamlessly, regardless of platform. Ideal for mixed environments with PCs, mobile devices, and tablets, it streamlines printing, reduces clutter, and enhances collaboration, a smart, budget-friendly way to get more from your existing printer. Number 4. Easy USB Print Server with 100 megabits per second LAN. Seamlessly share your printers across your network with this versatile USB 2.0 Ethernet print server. Designed for home and small office use, this device effortlessly connects your USB printers to your LAN, allowing multiple users to access the same printer conveniently. Effortless setup. Simply connect the print server to your router and your printer via USB A Euro. No complex configurations needed. Enjoy immediate network access to your printer with this user-friendly device. Convenient USB hub. This print server also incorporates a built-in USB hub, providing extra USB ports for other devices. This added functionality makes it an efficient and space-saving solution for your workspace. Reliable performance. This 100 megabits per second print server guarantees a fast and stable network connection for your printing tasks. Experience smooth printing without delays or interruptions. Power and efficiency. Its integrated power adapter ensures stable performance, delivering consistent print results. Save time and energy by utilizing this all-in-one solution. Number 5. 4-port USB wireless/Ethernet print server. This USB print server is a powerful and convenient solution for sharing up to 4 USB printers across your home, office, or small business network. Designed for both wired and wireless environments, it supports 10/100 Mbps LAN connectivity and offers reliable bridge sharing for smooth data transfer. With multiple standalone operating modes, the device eliminates the need for a dedicated computer to act as a print host, allowing users on the same network to print directly and efficiently. Its plug-and-play design ensures quick installation, minimal configuration, and compatibility with a wide range of USB printers. Whether connected via Ethernet or accessed wirelessly, the print server provides stable, uninterrupted performance for multiple users. Ideal for workplaces, teams, and shared environments, this versatile print server helps reduce clutter, increase productivity, and maximize the value of your existing printers with effortless, centralized access.